So yeah, I just made a video about it, and now let's go to the second product which I got. I'll make the video about in the order which I got them. So first I got the laptop, then I got the keyboard, which is this one, and it's just the unboxing, and I'll make a review video about it later. Yeah, actually this video would be really small, so it's nothing special here. It's I don't even remember the exact model, or actually did not even see a single video about this keyboard earlier. I went to the store, I asked which keyboards they have, and this was the best one they had. And do we get anything more in the box? Yes, we do. We get some papers, a warranty card, let me see what is there in the warranty card. Actually did not even ask those people. Information number, which I should have filled out there, but I didn't, so no issues. I'll just call those guys. And if you're thinking that I opened the box earlier, so the answer is yes, I opened it, but just to see if the products work or not. I did not even press the keys there properly. But it felt nice, so I got it. And now I'm struggling to... Okay, let's keep that aside and go with the keyboard. So it has two USB type A ports, which will work perfect for me, because like I have an XG mobile with 4 USB type A ports, so I won't even need a dock for it. Let's remove the cable. Okay, I'll tell you more about the keyboard after looking at it from its box. So it has mechanical switches, that I know, because the difference in K3 and K1 was that K3 has mechanical switches and K1 has membrane switches. It is an RGB keyboard, which I'll show you in the detailed review. Okay, this thing is like, it did not open earlier. I actually don't even know how to attach it to this thing, so let's go on an adventure. Okay, it has magnets in it, isn't it? So like, it has weak magnets in it, but it has magnets in it. So yeah, so like, that was the whole unboxing. And the next product which you'll see after this video will be the Samsung Odyssey. So yeah, just remember to watch out the video before this one, because it has the Asus ROG Flow X13 with the XG mobile. It's the unboxing of it. And then don't forget to see the video after this one, because it would be of the Samsung Odyssey G5. Yeah, let's keep that aside, and just drop a like on the video, and all of the videos I mean. So just don't drop a like on this specific video for this product, and just subscribe to the channel to see more gaming stuff.